Get money.
What is up, guys? It is PZ, the expert vlogger here, and tonight we are back at the Bird's house for week 9.5. What? Because we do not have a game this week. For those of you that I've said we don't have a team dinner, I was tricking with you guys. We always have team dinners every week. And there's Byler. This is good. We're having some wings.
We're on dessert now.
There's Vern. And there's Jay Gray.
Let me get in this job.
There's Spencer. So week 9.5 starting out okay. So we'll see you in the next clip. All right, guys, you're probably gonna be seeing me doing something pretty crazy. I'm gonna be going through this puddle. I'm gonna be going through this puddle right here. Trust me. This will not cause any harm to the bike. This will just make it wet and me wet. So yeah, this is the puddle. I'll zoom in right there. See the puddle? It's been raining for the past day or a couple days, so I highly imagine. I imagine this is going to be pretty soaking wet. I'm going to be pretty soaking wet. Spencer, what do you think about this? Do you think I'll make it through? It's fine.
I hope you do.
Or do you think I will fall?
I don't know. I hope you have an extra change of clothes. Otherwise, I wouldn't do it, you know.
Go PZ!
All right.
We want PZ!
All right. All right, here we go.
Dude, we can get in so much trouble for this. You guys do realize that?
I hope he doesn't die.
What?
He's gonna hit the mailbox and die.
No, he's gonna hit the mailbox.
I might
and
give him a
Ryan's at the
ride
car.
home. I might give him a ride home because
Where the fuck you park the truck?
I drove van there.
I just want to say, what's up, Pooh Rat?
Who rat Mr. Peeps?
Pooh Rat, Mr. Peeps.
Is he gonna hit the tree?
Easy, he's coming in hot. Go PZ!
Yo, PZ. Hey, you gotta go straight through.
Hey, you gotta hit it quicker!
PZ, you gotta go straight through.
You missed it!
Oh, God dang, that stuff's deep.
Burn! Come on!
What, he's doing it again?
Hey, PZ, you gotta go straight through!
Hey, straight through!
One more vlog! Alright, here we go!
PZ!
Hey, one more time. One more. You gotta pull back. You gotta pull back.
No!
I'm done. No, I have an idea.
Holy cow!
I'm done!
I have a good idea.
No! Put on the shirt! No, I'm not doing it again! PZ, did you get crapped on? Did somebody crapped on you? Somebody started PZ! Your PZ, your viewers want you to do it again!
No, they don't.
PZ. All right, Sandman. I know we're getting very close to the end of the vlog. It's getting pretty windy and it's raining again. Jay Hass, my boy.
He's pregnant. Look, he's pregnant. Look, he's pregnant. He's pregnant.
Don't worry, guys. It's fake.
What's up, Pooh Rat?
Yeah. I just went through this puddle here, and I tell you what, boys, it was pretty
I don't think they can see the puddle, but
wet. Yes, they can. It's right here. It's right there. That was my bike path I went through.
Yeah.
I'm sure you guys can probably see rain. I know there's a light back there. That's our stadium. They're probably having a soccer practice or something. But anyway, we're getting very close to the end of this video. I know it was pretty short, so we'll see you then. Alright, well, the Sandman again. We're getting very close to the end. Well, Jaden Williams, what'd you think about me going through the puddle? Jaden, what do you think about me going through the puddle?
It was sweet, it was stupid, and you're wet and muddy.
I know. I did it for all you viewers. I hope you enjoyed that.
Everybody better.
Put it on me.
Everybody better subscribe because PZ,
I ran through the puddle for all you guys. You guys deserved it. You guys have helped me for a while. And
Giveaway. Do a giveaway.
How much money do you think
Who?
he gets right now?
who's that? Who's that?
What? Really? What's your income?
Heck?
What call it?
Oh, that's a cuckoo clock.
No, I don't hear no cuckoo clock.
Check that out, guys.
I think you're just.
That's a cuckoo clock.
Are you gonna drive?
Oh, it's over.
Yeah.
I missed it. 7 o'clock. I didn't even know that was there.
Get it.
Alright. So, apparently the bird has parakeets. You can see them right there. You see their heads. Spencer, get out of there. Thank you.
Hey, they're about to fight.
Easy, quick. I need to get right here, through here. Let's turn the flashlight. Alright, where there's Slappy's parakeets. And, what do you guys think of their parakeets? You think they're okay?
You can get a double adapter.
Quit being weird, PZ. Zooming in on birds.
Everybody likes birds.
Well, no.
Do you guys like birds? 'Cause I do.
Bye.
Alright. So there's the birds. We're getting close to our final clip of this video.
Hey, what's up?
There's Jimmy Clark.
No.
Eat shit.
Alright. So see you in...
Wait.
Alright guys, that will conclude week 9.5 at the Bird's house. Not week 10. It's week 9.5, 9.5. So... and as you guys can tell, I did my puddle. And I went through it pretty fast. If you guys saw it, I don't know. Hope you enjoyed that.
Fuck bitches, get money. You already know.
Hey, wait,
Yeah.
let me sign out. Jordan Williams signing out.
Alright, so yeah. Oh yeah. Hey Mr. Bates, this is for you. You better subscribe to my channel, Mr. Bates. It's not a threat, but I'm just, it's just free advertising for you, Mr. Bates.
Birdie.
I better not say that. Mr. Bates is a good guy.
His nickname's Pooh Rat. What do you mean he's a good guy? Yeah, Mr. Bates is.
Or Jay, do you say it then?
I already said Pooh Rat like 5 times.
Alright. Alright. So yeah, that'll be it. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. This is PZ here and I'm signing out.
No.
That'll be it.